I'm the trustee in the fund from the employer side. Thank you.
Good evening, Chair and the committee. My name is Yona Piri, trustee for the fund, coming from the Civil Service Trade Union. Thank you.
Good evening, Chair and all honorable members. I'm Irene Chikava. I'm a trustee and coming from the employer side. Thank you.
Good evening, Chair and the honorable committee. My name is Maxwell Tsitsi. I represent the employer on the board. Thank you.
Good evening, Chair and honorable members of the committee. My name is Richard Zimba, trustee of the fund, representing the employees coming from the Civil Service Trade Union. Thank you.
Good evening, Chair and the honorable committee. I am Blasio Mpebo. I'm coming from Civil Service Trade Union. I'm a trustee representing the employees.
Well, good evening, Honorable Chair and the rest of the honorable members. My name is Bernard Nyondo. I'm a trustee for Public Service Pension Trust Fund, representing employees, Teachers Union of Malawi. Thank you, Chair.
Lastly, good evening, Chair and all members. My name is Arthur Manyunya. I'm a trustee in this third cohort. I represent the employer. Thank you.
Thank you so much. At this point, allow me to ask Secretariat to administer an oath. Secretariat.